Who doesn't love Filipino style noodles or pancit? This crowd pleaser dish is a must have treat, be it in big or small Filipino gatherings. So come and have fun with me learning to make this Filipino style noodles or pancit. Salute everyone! What's cooking? Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. If you have not seen any of my previous tutorials yet, my name is Grace, a full-time laboratory scientist navigating through the early stages of Hashimoto's disease and now an AIP recipe detective. The goal of this channel is to help those who are in the autoimmune protocol journey or those who are just simply looking into anti-inflammatory and clean recipes of having options and substitution ideas of still being able to cook our favorite dishes with AIP compliant ingredients. So please do me a favor of subscribing and sharing the contents of this channel, especially to those who can benefit from this innovative AIP and clean recipes. Philippines tradition has it that the long strands of the noodle signifies longevity. And what better way to welcome the new year with a symbol of long life? Filipino style noodles or pancit is a very versatile dish that you can have as many types of meats, choose or combine different kinds of noodles, be it egg-based noodles or glass noodles, and as much vegetables to your heart's desire to make it with. Different regions in the Philippines have their own unique version of this quintessential platter. For this tutorial, I will be using chicken for our meat and the AIP glass noodles that I bought from Amazon, of which I will provide the link in the description box below. Now, let's dive into cooking. While wood ear mushroom is an optional ingredient, this can be a great addition for an extra texture to our dish. First, let's soak a couple of the dried wood ear mushrooms into a bowl of water and slice it thinly once it is completely rehydrated, like so. Then, we will pan fry our chicken over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of ghee and our aromatics, the garlic and shallots or onions. Saute for a minute and add our chicken. Sprinkle with a few dashes of salt and a few dashes of granulated garlic, and we allow it to cook for a few minutes each side. We add 2 cups of water, 2 inches of smashed fresh ginger, and a few slices of scallions. Cover and let it boil for 6 to 8 minutes to allow that broth to mix up all the good flavors. We will then use this broth to saute our veggies into and our noodles or pancit. Shred the chicken to add to the mixture as our main meat for this tutorial. The next part is to cook our glass noodles following the instructions of the package. We will fill the pot with water to boil, including the water that we used to soak the mushroom earlier. While the water is heating up, add a half tablespoon of ghee to prevent the noodles from sticking, and a few dashes of salt for an added flavor. Load up 2 packets of these, 100 grams each pack, total of 200 grams, into the pot. Allow this to boil for 10 minutes or until al dente. While we are waiting for the noodles to finish cooking, we can start preparing for our veggies into our wok or big pan over medium heat. With half tablespoon of ghee, saute the finely chopped garlic and onions. Then slowly add a 1/4 cup of our chicken broth and our shredded chicken. Then place the thinly sliced wood ear mushroom. Cover for a minute or 2. Then we will add a tablespoon of the coconut aminos, a half tablespoon of fish sauce. Saute and we will add the thinly sliced carrots and cabbage. Let this simmer for a minute or 2. Cover and we turn the heat to low. Once noodles are cooked and drained, we will then immediately mix this into the vegetable mixture. Turn and mix everything well. Add a few dashes of salt and a few dashes of the granulated garlic according to taste. Let's finish this with the thinly sliced scallions. Put a few spoonfuls of the chicken broth. Cover and let it simmer for a few minutes on low heat. Then we can serve this tasty dish. Look at these colors. Though optional, I will go ahead and top this with an ample portion of the mashed pork rind. Now let's dig in. This is so delicious, you guys, that you should try this dish for your New Year celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, our Filipino style noodles or pancit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning from me today. Happy New Year to each and everyone, and let us receive 2025 with wishes of positive vibes and long life. Until next year, be healed and be blessed. Mabuhay!